So if you're having a problem printing onto DTF transfers because your printer can't see the paper, so if you've got a driver that won't let you select transparencies, what happens is when the printer feeds, down on the corner of the head on this side underneath, it tries to see the paper and it scans across and it can't see the paper because it's translucent. You get an error saying, you know, error, paper's not loaded. I'll show you a neat little trick. So some people load 2 pieces of paper or 2 sheets. This is the best way. So on the glossy side, you just cut some pieces of white vinyl and you stick them vaguely in the corner like that. Doesn't really matter as long as it's close to the edge. And then when I put it in now around the other way, so I'm going to put it in with that glossy corner that's going to be under the head first. Continue. Then you'll see the piece of white and off it goes. No more grief.